Please subscribe the programming packs and press the bell icon button for more videos. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to download MySQL in Windows 10. Okay? And we will install MySQL 8.0. So, first I will tell you, this is my blog where you can see how to install MySQL 8.0 in Windows 10. It's a name with programmingpacks.com, right? You can search programmingpacks.com on Google and you will direct it to my blog, and I will share this link in my video's description as well. So in this blog, I have mentioned each step of MySQL download, so you can go step by step and you will see the uh, screenshots of it, how to install MySQL, okay, in Windows 10. So first in this video also I'll show you how to install MySQL. So first we'll go to MySQL download official site, okay. So from this blog, once you can go to download installer, right, and then you can go to download this one. Yeah, sure, this is written XP 32-bit, but this MySQL installer is 32-bit, but it will install for both 32-bit and 64-bit window binaries, so don't worry about it. It will work for 64-bit as well as 32-bit, okay. So just click on download, okay, and it will download or starting download, and it will go to take you to page. So when you just click no thanks, just start my download, you don't need to log in right now, okay. So click on that and it will download the MySQL installer, start the MySQL installer, right? So for that, once you start the downloading, okay, and it will take you to the MySQL installer code. Okay, so see, starting the downloading as I've already installed it, so I'll right now pause it, right? And I'll go to the one which is directly installed, so I don't want to waste your time. So I'll click on this MySQL installer, right? And so it's just loading right now. So it starting the installation is starting the getting the required all the information it requires. Okay. So okay, it will ask you to choosing a setup type. So we have developer default, we have server only, client only if you need only MySQL server, client full custom. But here in video I'll show you developer default where you can use MySQL server, router, workbench for Visual Studio connectors, right? So I'll go to next. Okay, it's fine. Click on next. Okay, and it will at one or more break have not been satisfied. Yes, you said that continue. No need to worry about that. And you will see the MySQL server download, MySQL workbench, MySQL notifiers, Excel, and right. So just before that, I can tell you one thing. Like if you face kind of error, right, while you go into that, you will see this one, right? So you will see once you execute or check requirements like this one, if you have page, so just execute it. Otherwise, if you show error, so just show you number of products, and if in check requirements, okay, you can go execute it, right? And it will go to take you to this one. Okay. So here also I click on execute. So it will start the download each thing, server, workbench, notifier, right? You can see it starting the downloading. It's just installing now all the products. Now, Now we will click on next, and then we click on next. Now we see the port is 3303. Now click on next from here as well. Here we enter the password. If I need to add the user, we can use username and add them password and confirm password for that. If I need to create user account, then I'll click on next, and then again I'll click on next. Okay, then it shows the configuration for MySQL server successful, and I click on finish, and then I'll click on next again, and then I click on finish, and then I click on next, and then I write the password, and I will check my connection is done, that I'm able to connect to server or not. Check, then finish, next, then finish. Open this mysql.exe, and it will open the workbench as well. I can connect to that workbench to write queries. The same password you've written inside while connecting to server. So I'm able to log in into the workbench. So workbench and write queries and test it. I'll create database. Anything related to database I need to do, I can do here. Right? Or if we can want to check, we can go to MySQL command line client. Okay, here like I enter the password, and I will write anything, any command. I'll write like show databases. So it will show all the databases currently inside in MySQL database. Okay, so that's how we can install it. So that's how we can install MySQL on our Windows system. Thank you. Please subscribe the programming packs and press the bell icon button for more videos.